Kublai pi baro ipnyang subhai pi shikatup kubor mentaka janmiat shaban paj kubor ki bubnya ingi pitchwai kimat bekongsan. Yawer umudi ban weng ya ki ding pengkyang ki bakhanglat ya karoi kapar ki kenthei. On penmi ka sorkar ki lat ki lenti na kebenta ban ai jengirap ya ki college ki bapen trekam ya ke NEP ong u Konrad Sangma. Om don jing tmu ka sorkar ban seng de ka weipat ka State University yang menta ong u Konrad Sangma. Bat an pelong jingilang ka sorkar ban lap ya kalat ban weng ya ki jingipia jingmut halor ke NEP. Ki kubor ki bubnya. Menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi ula ong bakaroi kapar ka ba pai khmat shaki kenthei ka dei ka jingle ka bahatam na ka benta ka jingpen kop bor ya ki kenthei. Aba ai jingkren ha ka jingelang ple ya ka jingelang jong ki menteri halo ka jingpen kop bor ya ki kenthei ha Gandhinagar ula wer ban weng ya ki ding pengkyang ki bakhanglat ya ka roi kapar ki kenthei. Modi ula banjer halo ki jing don kam bagi hakim madan ye leka ya ki kenthei hakitnat baro umudi ulakan mau ya ka jingno senyang jong ki kenthei hakitnat cooperative khamtam hakabe dei bat ka kamri masi
way to empower women is through a women-led development approach. India is making strides in this direction. India's President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, sets an inspiring example herself. She comes from a humble tribal background, but now leads the world's largest democracy and serves as the commander-in-chief of the world's second largest defense force.
Menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Sangma mentagasngi ula ong baga sorkar kan shim mikilat kilenti ban ai jingirap iki college sorkar ban pentrei kam ya ke NEP. Abakren shkila patai kubor hadien ke jingelang jong cabinet u Konrad ula ong babaro ki college ki belai penyesno ki hab ban pentrei kam ya ke polisi bethamai jong ke puli puthi. Namar ka long ka babahatam na ka bentagi kena puli. U Konrad ula ong ru baga sorkar kamla ban ai jingirap shabaro ki deficit college namar ba ki don la ka jong ka bo penyat bat ki nong bai tingka. Ula pensyai ru ba om don lat da kumwei pat bat ka jela ka hab ban jam shakmat bat ke NEP. Henry kamut pat ban pentrei kam ya ka dah ka bor.
To move ahead with this, whether it will happen now or it will happen later, that's something that the Education Department and NEHU will discuss with the respective colleges which are affiliated to NEHU, which is almost all of them. And hence that discussion will happen on a case-to-case basis. There is no opposition to the NEP. Everybody knows that it is in the best interest, and hence everybody agrees that it should happen. Number two, everybody also understands that there's a huge challenge to it. It's not that it's easy. All transitions are difficult, and hence we will have to ensure that whatever challenges are there, we have to slowly overcome those challenges.
Menteri rang ba ka jela u Konrad Sangma ula ong baga soka jela kam don jing tmu ban seng sa ka weipat ka State University. Abakran bagi nong thok khubor hadien balawai ka jingelang jong ka kenhun menteri u Konrad ula ong badai hadien san posnem kilawan ra ban seng ye ka State University da ka babenrap baga State University ha ka jing shisha ka ladai ban urlong la khamslam. U Konrad ula ong ban ningkong kin persang ban penbet ye ka ei ka balalong menta bat ki wei kila ban perkhat ya ka baar. Kumban Shukudau baga State University beningkong jong ka Meghalaya kadai ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University bala ainam hadin Menteri rang ba beningkong jong ka Meghalaya yakaba on satay ha kasnong balalgre kabadon ha Southwest Garo Hills.
For 50 years we have come out with the State University now, so I understand that as we doing things the expectations always go up, but the State University actually should have happened a long time back. So it has started now, and of course we will be, for the first part, we will be having the campus or the office of the State University in Shillong also. But right now, going up with another university, At the state level, that's not in the cards right now. There's a lot of financial impact and so many other factors we have to look into. And obviously, if we have to first start the current one, then maybe we can think of the second one. So.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Urakam Sangma hanya kesengi ula pentip baga State Higher Educational Council kan sakhot ya kejengelang bat Vice Chancellor kan nehu bat kiwai ki he jong ki jaka pulih halor kamat ban lap ya kelat ban weng ya kejenge pe jingmut halor kejeng pentrai kam ya ke National Education Policy lani NEP ajar arpo ha kejela aba pentip ya kene ka State Higher Educational Council kan sa aya kendo ha ka shipo lani ka waitrik unailor Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ula ong ba unsa kerpat ya ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association lani MCTA ban pelong ya ke jengelang bat ki khlie jong ki jaka pulih beper ha ke jela banyatai ya ki jeng e bedai ba ke jeng pentrai kam ya ke NEP ajar arpo.
We have a state higher education council is there, so we have not said before. So that will be the first meeting of the council. So where Nehu will also be there, and the head of institutions will be also be there. So we will also deliberate and we will listen to them, because to be frank, as a state government, we have asked the written reply information from the head of institutions across the state whether they are ready for NEP or not. Then most of the head of institution principal, they said we are not ready.
Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Janty Hills District Abilash Baranwal ne ka sngi ula pelong ya ka jinglet khmi ya ka Civil Hospital bat la sanran yu da Medical Officer ka Cleariat Civil Hospital Baranwal wale ya ka ni halo ka jing ujor ki pat ba ya ka rai jong ka hospital ban pensange ya ki nongwan sha sumar namar ki jing e bayadei bat ki nala bat ki pipe ban weng ya kene ka jing e la penbet ya ki nong shna na Cleariat PHE ban maramot ya ki pipe bat ketenat PHE kan sapelong ya ka jing jurep ya ka hospital la chai ka sngi ko molekular da Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal. La play perdai ke Meghalaya State Badminton Championship ahajar apulai ke balai puprah ni ke sengi hai Indoor Sports Hall Hanong Stone. La pelong ke ni ke Lempung da ke West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association ke bahap hapok ke jingkmi jong ke Meghalaya State Badminton Association. La play ke ni ke Lempung da Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes ringkat ke Jingedon Lang jong ke District Sports Officer ikong Balaris Iem. Kumba aspa sabu saungut kinong elekai na kishpotali ki district bakentup ya ka wei ka klop kelewan banishim benta ha ka ni Lempung. Lapia ya ka ni Lempung ha ki kedan beper bakentup ya ka under 13, under 15 ke under 17, under 19 bat ki senior. Ya ka final on pelong ha ka santerik unailar. Mentapat inya khmi kajing long juman kasum beneng shilong kajing shit kalong apsan point lai degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong khat khandai point pra degree Celsius kajing skam gau hau kalong nyopu an chispa men step ban ru pho nak chispa jan miet kala ban don kajing hap slap ka ba malu mala habun ki jaka shwaban poi she ka bakut jong thup khubor ni pe byang sa asian yakimat bakong san yawer umodi ban weng yakiding pengkyang ki bakhang lat yakaroi ka par ki kenthei on penmi ke sorkar kilat ke lenti na ke benta ban ai jingirap di college ki bapentrai kam ya ke NEP ong konrat sangma dan jing temu ke sorkar ban seng na ke weipat ke State University yang benta ong konrat sangma bat on pelong jingelang ke sorkar ban lap ya ke lat ban weng ya ke jingir jingmut halo ke NEP Te paralog da gitu khubor la poish bakut jong ne ka thup khubor jing menta ka jan miet hadu bang ni shamet flashai ka sngi ha ga jog po khuble shiboni pi baro
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का संघर्ष दोनों का सदियों से संबंध रहा पानी तो पहले भी था, कभी कांधों पर, कभी कमर पर, कभी माथे पर, कभी आंखों में। आजादी से लेकर 70 सालों तक केवल 3 करोड़ घरों में नल से आता पानी था। फिर छिड़ा एक जल आंदोलन। प्रधानमंत्री